Hi and welcome to the Swedish Maker. Today I'm 3D printing myself as Superman. So I actually made two videos on how to make this. One video is quite technical in Meshmixer, just how to combine two models into one. And in this video I'm just gonna show you the rest of the stuff on how I made this.
But I had all the time you needed to be here till the end. It's memories and heartbeats and slowly going on. It's playing my part in the greatest story ever told. I felt a young heartbeat we had only heard about in fairy tales and movie screens and other people's towns. Two became one and one became three. Now you're the only everything means anything to me.
So I was just about to sand Superman when I accidentally broke off his foot, so I'll have to glue that together later. But this is actually good because now I can sand it more easily without the foot plate. So I'll have to glue this together later at some point, somehow. I don't think that's gonna be a problem. So let's sand this down.
It was real, it is still. It was us, it is love. It's memories and heartbeats.
So now I'm gonna glue this together before I spray it with spray filler, and hopefully you can't see that I broke it.
My part in the greatest story ever told. It's memories and heartbeats and slowly going old. It's playing my part in the greatest story ever told.
Okay, so it's time to color Superman, and I'll start with the blue color since it's the main color, I guess. And I've got these Montana spray colors.
You bring a little pop of color. You bring a little pop of color. You're a shining star, it's always bright where you are. Oh, what a sight to see! I'm caught up in the joy you bring. So take it out to the streets and share your heart with everyone you meet. Take it out to the streets and share your heart with everyone you meet.
Okay, so I'm done with the painting part and I've realized a couple of things. I'm no good at painting, and the other thing is, and it's really hard painting using spray paint, so I think my paintbrushes weren't good, but I think I should have gotten new paintbrushes and very thin. I didn't have really thin brushes either, so the result is not perfect. So the final result was okay, but as I mentioned earlier, I'm not the best painter, and if the model had been a bit bigger, it would have been easier to mask off some parts in the face and just spray paint it instead of painting with a paintbrush. So the face turned out okay, but not the best, not as good as I wished. So that's it for this week. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe if you haven't, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you next week for another video.